Spooky and Spookier, 4 American ghost stories by Lori Haskins Aaron, illustrations by Viviana Diaz. Story 4, by hook or by crook. Eastcoot House, Stinson Beach, California, July 1903. Old Captain Eastcoot is stubborn. He doesn't care how hot the summer gets. He doesn't want any kids on his beach. It's not hard to keep them away. After all, the captain looks scary. His face is rough from years at sea, and he always wears a scowl on it. His left hand is shriveled up like a claw. Every morning he straps a shiny gold hook to his wrist. When anyone comes near, he just shakes the hook and hollers, "Stay off my land!" Sure enough, the kids steer clear. They are all terrified of Captain Eastcoot, and he's not even a ghost. Yet. Captain Eastcoot without his famous hook. Alfred Derby Eastcoot wasn't always scary, but he was always stubborn. As a boy, he wanted to become a sailor. He ran off to sea when he was just 9 years old. Later, his hand was burned in a fire on the ship, but that didn't stop him. He learned to sail one-handed. He even became the captain of his own ship. Years passed. Alfred's ship went down near Stinson Beach. The stubborn captain decided to stay right there. He built a fine house on the beach and married a lady named Amelia Dumas. Together they opened a campground. Alfred told stories and Amelia sang songs for the campers. Everyone liked the sea captain and his pretty wife. Then, one terrible evening, Amelia fell into Alfred's arms, dead. Doctors said her heart had burst. After that, Alfred's own heart was never the same. He turned angry and bitter. He stopped welcoming people to his beach. Instead, he spent the rest of his life scaring them away. Captain Eastcoot died at 2 o'clock in the morning on December 10, 1905. The next day, the hearse came for his body. 4 men struggled to carry his coffin across the loose sand. One of the men slipped. The coffin fell. Captain Eastcoot's gold hook tumbled out. Before anyone could pick it up, the waves swept the hook out to sea. 25 years passed. Captain Eastcoot's house sat empty. Vines grew over the windows. The porch sagged. The kids who had been afraid of the captain grew up. They hardly thought of him anymore. All that changed one misty night in 1930. A light flickered in an upstairs window at the old Eastcoot house. Someone was in there, moving from room to room, searching for something. The front door creaked open. A figure stumbled down the steps. It looked like a man. He fell to his knees on the beach. With one hand he pawed the sand. "Where's my hook?" he hollered. "Give me my hook!" The news spread through Stinson Beach. Captain Eastcoot was back! People claim the captain's ghost haunts the beach to this day. He appears at 2 o'clock in the morning, the hour of his death, and he spends each night searching for his gold hook. Will he ever give up? It doesn't seem likely. After all, Captain Eastcoot was always stubborn, and he probably always will be. Eastcoot House, a haunted house. The end.